Fijian diaspora, Fijians who go in this worker scheme, or just friends of Fijians who live offshore, will be able to purchase this cover for their loved ones back in Fiji, and thus promoting financial inclusion and greater insurance coverage for the most vulnerable. As you know, we are continually seeing an increase in remittances coming into Fiji. I think the forecast for this year is something around 1.3 billion Fijian dollars. Some of these funds come in when an unfortunate event puts families under a lot of stress. So our proposition through Valleycom is that instead of sending lump sum payments when an unfortunate event happens, insure your family for a fraction of the cost, and for their peace of mind, and also for your peace of mind. So it opens up and once again, this has never been offered in the Pacific before. So as part of this Valleycom, families overseas will be able to take care of the needs of their Valley by purchasing more than just bundled microinsurance, as I mentioned earlier. And for this as well, we are looking at an expanded range of goods and services in due course.